All right. Let's see. Oops. So this is the Rumble Tuff Breeze electric breast pump duo. Says preserving mother's love one expression at a time. If you're just joining, I'm going to be inducing lactation. Sorry if I'm laughing. This is a journey for sure. But this is a hospital grade pump. It says it has dual control. It's quiet, it's small, it's lightweight. Has silicone cushions, a lithium ion rechargeable battery, 2 preset expression patterns. So I just opened it. Looks like a wet dry bag, maybe. It's probably the motor, I'm thinking, just based on the weight. Or maybe that's the whole pump itself. All right, we got some parts. I don't know what it comes with. We're gonna find out. Okay. I do believe maybe this is it. There's a hand pump that comes with this pump. So, I think, let's find out.